How can you connect to the internet from the most remote places on Earth? Imagine a vast rainforest, a towering mountain range, or an isolated island. These places are far from cities and towns. This makes it very hard to get online. People in these remote areas often lack reliable internet access. This digital divide impacts their education, healthcare, and economic opportunities. Without the internet, students can't access online learning resources, doctors can't consult with specialists, and local businesses can't reach a global market. The lack of connectivity keeps these communities isolated and limits their potential for growth and development. But what if there was a way to connect everyone, everywhere? Imagine the possibilities if every student could learn from the best teachers in the world, if every patient could receive expert medical advice, and if every entrepreneur could sell their products globally. That's where satellite internet comes in, beaming the internet down from space. With satellite technology, we can bridge the digital divide and bring the world closer together, ensuring that no one is left behind in the digital age. The internet we use every day relies on a vast network of infrastructure. This infrastructure is the backbone of our digital world, enabling everything from simple web browsing to complex cloud computing. Think of it like a complex system of roads connecting different places. Just as highways and streets link cities and towns, the internet's infrastructure connects servers, data centers, and ultimately, our devices. Information travels through these roads as digital data. This data moves at incredible speeds, allowing us to stream videos, send emails, and browse social media in real time. Underground cables made of copper or fiber optic lines carry data at high speeds. These cables are laid deep beneath our feet, often stretching for thousands of miles to connect different parts of the world. Cell towers act as relay stations, transmitting data wirelessly to our smartphones. These towers are crucial for mobile connectivity, ensuring that we can access the internet on the go. However, laying cables and building towers in remote areas is expensive and challenging. The rugged terrain and isolation make it difficult to install and maintain the necessary infrastructure. This leaves many communities unconnected. Without access to the internet, these areas miss out on the educational, economic, and social opportunities that connectivity provides. Satellite internet offers a solution to this challenge by providing connectivity where traditional methods fail. Instead of relying on physical infrastructure on the ground, which can be costly and difficult to install in remote areas, it uses satellites orbiting the Earth. These satellites are positioned thousands of miles above the planet. These satellites act like mirrors in the sky, reflecting signals back and forth, ensuring data travels swiftly and efficiently. Here's how it works. A ground station sends data to a satellite. This data can include anything from internet signals to television broadcasts. The satellite then beams the data back down to a satellite dish installed at the user's location, providing a seamless connection. This allows people in even the most remote areas to access the internet, bridging the digital divide and opening up new opportunities for communication, education, and commerce. Starlink, a project by SpaceX, aims to take satellite internet to the next level, revolutionizing global connectivity. Their mission is to provide high-speed, low-latency internet access to every corner of the globe, especially those underserved by traditional infrastructure. Starlink is launching thousands of small satellites into low Earth orbit, creating a vast network. This is much closer to Earth than traditional geostationary satellites, enhancing performance. The closer proximity reduces latency, the delay in data transmission, resulting in a faster and more responsive internet experience for users.